Proud to present to you the M18 Fuel Top Handle Chainsaws, a professional tool designed for aerial applications due to its lighter weight and more compact size. During our research into top handle chainsaws, we discovered that professional users and arborists face one major issue. There is simply no battery product on the market today which can keep up with their petrol saws in terms of power and runtime. But here at Milwaukee, we will not settle for that as we strive to innovate and influence new industries and create a safer, more productive job site. The M18 Fuel Top Handle Chainsaws deliver a tremendous speed of cut, the power to cut through hardwood without bogging down, and a runtime to take professional users through a full day's work. We can comfortably outperform leading 35cc petrol top handle chainsaws in a speed of cut test with this tool. Also with this tool, we have a professional feature set like all of our chainsaws, including an automatic oiling system, full metal bucking spikes, a quick chain tensioning system with onboard scrunch for doing so, a hanging loop for securing whilst in aerial applications, and also an ergonomic safety trigger switch. This tool is available in a 30 and a 35 centimetre bar variants and is supplied with a semi-chisel chain for increased durability when cutting through harder wood. That's all for now, so let's see this tool in action.